In this video tutorial, you will tour the My Milestone Business Lounge for resellers and learn how to open a case with the Milestone Technical Support team. Open a web browser and go to milestonesys.com. Log in to My Milestone. Enter your username and password and select Login. Select the Reseller Portal. If the Reseller Portal does not appear in your My Milestone profile, contact your Milestone representative to request access. Let's look at what is available to us in the Business Lounge. Some of these options may not appear on your account. To request access to additional options, contact your Milestone representative. Select Milestone Care Portal for partners to submit and view your support cases. Scroll down to the Case Management section. Select Submit Case to open a new case. Please select the Milestone product and version number and enter the software license code. Select the product you have installed. Depending on your choice, more options will appear related to your product. Select the version running in your installation. You can find your software license code on the Management Client License Information page. Please select the type of incident and how it was discovered. Select the option that best describes your issue. You can select among device, licensing, SDK, or software. Depending on your choice, additional options will appear related to your selection. Select the category that best describes your issue. You can choose from configuration, installation, integration, or usage. Please provide a title for the incident, a detailed description, and its severity level. Provide a brief description of the issue. Provide a full and detailed explanation of the issue, such as changes done in the system, symptoms found, information about the system, cameras, network, etc. Providing as much information as you can will help Milestone Technical Support quickly solve your issue. Select the appropriate severity level of your incident. You can select Severity D, a minor incident with no operational impact, or a general question. Severity C, a moderate incident. The licensed software is operational, but its use is impaired. Severity B, a severe incident. A major software feature is inoperable. Severity A catastrophic incident. The licensed software is completely inoperable. Be aware that Milestone Technical Support may change the severity of the case. Select Submit to open the case. If you're opening a case on behalf of your customer with care privileges. I am a partner requesting care premium on behalf of a customer. Please enter the Care Premium Partner ID. Note that the software license code is required if you wish to open a case on behalf of a Care Premium customer. Select Submit to open the case.